In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple methods to actually make money on TikTok in 2019 and beyond. And this can be done by anyone. You don't need any tech skills, and sometimes you don't even need to make videos. Let's get into it. Hey, Thomas Garetz here. Thanks for tuning in. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically an app. It's kind of like Vine. You make 15-second videos. It's super simple to use, and you can add all these effects to it, right? And it used to be called Musical.ly. It was made in China, but it's like the new app. It's got 500 million users, and Instagram's got like 1 billion. So it's pretty new, and it's already getting pretty high up there. So this isn't something to just not look at, right? But hey, if you're just meeting me, what we do on this channel, it's everything: make money online, affiliate marketing. So if that's the kind of content you like, consider going down below and subscribing. But make sure you hit that notification bell too, so you get notified every time I upload. Now, the first method out of the 3 is going to be just asking those influencers on TikTok, people with a lot of followers, to do a shout out for you. It's kind of like an Instagram shout out where you're paying these influencers a set amount of money and they promote your product. Now, I mentioned this one first because this is probably the worst out of all 3. It's definitely the worst out of all 3, actually. But the thing is, they have a younger demographic, right? So if you had a product that could focus on younger people, then maybe it's worth it. But a lot of these people, they don't have money of their own. They got to ask their parents. But if you could find a creator on TikTok with a little older demographic, that could be something worth looking into. So that's number 1. Now, number 2, this one is the second best, obviously. The best one's going to be on the last one, and you're not going to want to miss that one, trust me. But the second one is actually going on TikTok and creating content yourself, right? Lip syncing, whatever. Anything that people are on TikTok doing that works, do what they're doing. It's that simple. And the thing about TikTok is it's so new and it's so easy to get views on there compared to, like, if you create a YouTube channel, you can get followers on TikTok super fast. So if you figure out what's working on that platform and you do what people are doing, you can take those followers from TikTok and tell them to start following you on Instagram or on YouTube or Facebook, whatever, right? And then you grow your platform elsewhere, because you don't want what happened to Vine to happen to TikTok and all your eggs are in one basket, right? Because Vine just disappeared and all the people that didn't spread their eggs in other baskets, so to speak, lost everything, right? But people like Jake Paul and Logan Paul, they were huge on Vine, but they transferred their audience to other platforms. And now they're some of the biggest creators on YouTube. Okay, so just keep that in mind. It would be a great thing to do if you can make that type of content, if you're interested in it, and it works. Like, ask anyone who's on that platform right now creating content. The views are insane. The organic views, the organic traffic, it's insane. Seriously. So anyways, keep that in mind. But if you're like, I don't want to create those videos, I don't want to create that stuff, this is the best way to make money on TikTok, or with TikTok, I should say, because it's not actually on TikTok. This one is actually on YouTube, but by creating TikTok compilations. Okay, so I'm going to go into my computer. I'm going to show you some examples, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. Very easy. Let's get into it. All right, welcome to my computer. So all we got to do is go right here and type in TikTok compilation. I spelled that wrong, but anyways, so literally all these videos are not the people making them. They're just like reposting the videos. And the reason these work so well, these type of TikTok compilation videos, it's because one of the major ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. And people have really short attention spans. Like, probably like 30% of the people are left watching the video right now. So that means you're still watching the video. So thank you. Give this video a like. But for real, why it works so well is because it's just 10 to 15-second videos of like one video, right? So it's just a new video every 10 to 15 seconds. So it's like, even if you have a really short attention span, you're watching more than one video in these compilations. And I watched a couple and they really like keep you watching for real. So all you gotta do is make these little video compilations of TikTok memes or TikTok dance videos or anything like that. Super easy. And I actually made another video that shows how to make money on YouTube without actually making your own videos. I'll link that up above and down below. But the way you make money from these videos is by Google AdSense. It's just Google Ads. It's like YouTube ads that show up before the video. You know, you've seen them before. They pop up during the video. And you make money per 1,000 views. It's called the CPM. How it works is you'll get paid on average $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. So at the minimum, $1 per 1,000 views. 1.4 million views would be $1.4 thousand. And that's just from one video. And this YouTuber is uploading a lot more than just one video. You can see right here, they got tons of TikTok compilations. And we can go right here and sort by most popular. And you can see right here, 12 million views. So with just $1 per 1,000 views, that's $12,000. Okay, so it's super powerful. But besides making money on TikTok, my favorite way to make money online, no TikTok, nothing like that, it's affiliate marketing. And if you've never heard of that before, you can click the first link in the description, and that's my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Or you can watch any of these 2 videos right here. And before you leave, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe by clicking my face right here, and that's all I got. See you on the next video.